My name is DeAndre Nelson. You're watching Killer Dre, and today I have some news. I'm going to be on Omegle. I think it's called. I don't know. I forgot what it's called. But anyway, yes, I'm going to be on that. But don't go on your computer, because I'm going to be like I'm going to be talking to everybody, so you can chance to meet me. But don't do it on your computer, because I'm using the phone edition. Now, the reason why I'm not using the reason why I'm not using computer is because my computer's down. It says my proxy server is not up. I check my settings. I really don't know what it means. So, yeah, comment below what it means if you know. It would mean a lot. I really want my computer back. I mean, I can't go on internet. But, no, I have internet, but I just can't go on it. So I can't go on, like, Google or anything, any websites. But I can go to, like, Minecraft and go on servers and all that stuff. And, yeah, but I just can't go on websites. Anyway, so, yeah, so if you want it, my username would be The Killer Dre. And, yeah, so if you want a chance to meet me and talk to me, there you go. So, yeah, I'm going to be doing this for a while now. I really don't know what the date is. Maybe I'll make a video telling when the due date is. But anyway, guys, I'm DeAndre Nelson, and I hope I meet you guys, because all I care about you on YouTube is you guys. You guys are the best. Supporting me. Thank you. Bye-bye.